All right, today is an exciting one. My local Toro dealer is on his way to my house right now. Been working with Toro for several years. I've been watching the channel, you know that. And he's going to be dropping something off here, and we'll see what it is. We'll get an overview. This is actually a project that I've been looking forward to doing for literally years at this point. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you this and continue on with the lawn care journey and showcase a completely new line of products for this channel. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So wait for him to show up. Here we go. All right, so this is Scott Cutler. He's from Cutler's in Orem. And
good morning.
Yes, good morning. And what have you brought me today?
Hey, we've got a new 2024 Titan 54-inch deck. It's got the MyRide suspension, complete rework for 2024. Some little bit nicer fit and finish, larger wheels. We've got the bull design back. That's kind of an original throwback from Toro from about 100 years ago when Toro company started. So really excited. We'll get this unloaded for Jimmy and get it on some grass for you guys.
That sounds awesome. So from a dealer's perspective, and I'll be honest with you, I've never picked up a machine from a dealer before. I usually go to Home Depot or Lowe's, and I think most people do. What would you say is the difference or the dealer's touch kind of a thing?
Yeah, kind of some of the extras that I think a local dealer will provide for you is a full setup. So the dealers are going to do a better job doing the pre-delivery inspection. So checking your tire pressure, checking all your fluids, your oil level. They typically will go around the machine, check for loose hardware. They're gonna make sure that there was no freight damage on the machine, make sure that the machine drives straight. A couple other things that we do as a dealer, we will warranty register a product for the customer, so they don't need to track down a purchase receipt if there's ever a failure. We keep that on hand. We will go through any kind of product maintenance, so we'll kind of hit on any kind of item that the customer would like us to inform them on what they need to do to maintain their product or to have us service it as their dealer. So I think there's a lot of extras that you'll get at no charge working through a local dealer versus, the big box stores.
Okay, that's awesome. So I guess from here, we unload it, right?
Let's get you unloaded.
Scott was extremely helpful. After unloading this awesome looking mower, he gave me a full walk around overview of the machine, showed me some of the features, went over the startup process, maintenance schedule, and just verified with me that everything was working properly. I really appreciated all of his time. This is a really exciting addition to Toro's zero-turn lineup and to my own personal fleet. More info to come, but suffice it to say for now, this thing is heavy duty and has some really nice features. I can't wait to share more with you.
So there you go, 54-inch time cutter with the MyRide suspension system from Toro. Super excited to share this with you. A huge thank you to Scott from Cutler's for bringing this over and dropping it off with me. That is serious dealer experience right there. And again, if you're in the area, if you're in the Utah County area, General Wasatch Front, go check them out. Go pay them a visit, tell them hello for me. And yeah, can't wait to show you more about this. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, and we'll look forward to tons of content on this. I've got a lot of plans for it, and I can't wait to get started and share it with you. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time.